Hello guys, how are you? Today I am going to talk about a crochet table runners is a great way to add a little something extra to our dining table or coffee table. Crochets like making table runners because they are smaller projects with an easy bag and four stitch pattern similar to a crochet blanket. Below, you will find a collections of some of the most popular crochet pattern for table runners that you can make. The table runner patterns are broken down by skill levels and also have the you will want to use listen with them for easy browsing. Enjoy. Why I don't do not personally have a free pattern for a table runner. I found a few runner designs from fellow designers that you may enjoy. They all come in different lengths, intricate designs, and lovely colors combinations. So if you are not certain how to crochet a table runner, then explore all the crochet table decoration below so you can find your next new project to make. You will love how easy it is to crochet a table runner using the most stitch since it only uses single crochets and chains. The yarn is hard to find, so line brand 25/7 is a good substitution. Fiber get the free pattern from in third garden. This crochet project uses worsted weight yarn to make an easy table runner for Christmas that is worked up in rectangle sections. This is a great pattern for our beginners and is a lovely first tablecloth pattern to make. Get the free pattern from Mountain Outcome below. This modern and cute crochet design make a great statement piece of your coffee table. It is crocheted with